Unraveling the Phrase Get a Lift, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, get a lift. We'll look into its meanings and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Stick around to boost your English skills. When you hear the phrase, get a lift, it might conjure up images of being physically lifted into the air. However, in English, get a lift can mean two different things depending on the context. Let's break them down. 1. A ride in a vehicle. The most common use of get a lift is to describe receiving a ride in someone's car. For example, I got a lift to the airport from my brother. This means someone has offered you a free ride to your destination. 2. Feeling happier. The phrase can also refer to something improving your mood or spirits. For example, the good news gave me a lift. Here it means that the good news made you feel happier or more cheerful. Now that we understand what get a lift means, let's see how to use it in different scenarios. Asking for a ride, could I get a lift with you to the city tomorrow? Expressing an improved mood, the sunny weather really gave me a lift this morning. Offering a ride, do you need to get a lift home after the concert? English is full of idioms and variations. With get a lift, you might also hear hitch a lift. This is a more informal way of saying get a lift, and implies the same meaning of obtaining a free ride. Lift someone's spirits. This is a related phrase that means to make someone feel happier or more hopeful. We hope this video has given you a lift in understanding the phrase, get a lift. Remember, English is a language rich with idioms, and learning them can enhance your fluency and understanding. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.